Today I will talk about what most gurus in trading are silent about. You can use a cool strategy, you can understand the levels, indicators and candlesticks, but if you're trading on a fraudulent platform, it doesn't make sense. Therefore, in this video, there are 5 signs by which you can quickly recognize a scam. Plus, I will show you a unique strategy that can only be applied where you do not increase the price and allow you to earn honestly. If you are a beginner, it will save you a deposit. If you are an experienced trader, this will help you make sure you're on the right platform. And also friends, in my Telegram channel, you will find everything for profit trading. Signals, strategies, a trading board, and much more for successful trading. So, go ahead while the access is still open. Let's go. The first red flag that you're on a scam platform. Withdrawals are a nightmare. It's the most obvious sign. Deposits go through instantly, but when it's time to withdraw, suddenly it's wait 7 days, your request is under review, invalid payments info, we need another verification, and so on. Real platforms send your funds within 24 hours. If you can't withdraw your money, you're not a trader. You're just a player caught in a trap. Enough talk, let's get to action. We're switching to pocket option and starting the session. Here we are on the platform. First, go to chart types, select candles. Then set the time frame to 1 minute. Now we turn on the indicators, RSI and Bollinger Bands. You'll see the settings right on the screen. I'll be trading odd New Zealand dollars today. Payout rate is 92%. Let's place a 250 trade for 1 minute and start the session. I'm opening the first trade, 250 up. Here's why. The price just confidently broke below the lower Bollinger Band, a strong oversold signal. Also, RSI is hovering near the 30 level, but hasn't crossed it yet, often a sign of potential reversal to the upside. Second red flag. You enter a trade going down, the candle moves perfectly your way, then boom! 2 seconds before it closes, it shoots up for no reason. You open TradingView, the chart shows something different. Familiar? That's called price deviation, and that's what shady, unregulated platforms do. Legit brokers pull data from licensed providers. If you see huge differences, you're not on a real platform. Nice one. The trade closed in profit, plus $480. We called that reversal clean. Let's keep going. I'm opening a second deal for $480 to raise. Pay attention to the structure of the candles. A confident downward price channel has been formed, and the current candle is testing a key support level, from which a rebound has already occurred. At this point, the candle forms a lower tail, indicating the weakness of sellers. The third sign is that there is no license, no legal data, and no clear registration. They can write broker number 1 in the world, but they don't have a proper regulator website, no contacts, just email. Serious platforms always have open data, license number, support, registration address. If you can't find a legal entity, it means that it's not going to be responsible for your money. Good signal. The deal closed at plus $921. The market bounced back from the level and we entered the local bottom correctly. Moving on to the next entry point. My trading bot and auto-build system are a chance to make a difference even without experience. No need to sit in charts, just follow me through a copy trade or use a bot for signals. The description contains everything you need, but access will be closed soon. I'm opening the last trade for $921 to decrease. The reason for the entry is a clear pullback to the level that was previously served as support, but has now become resistance. The price failed to gain a foothold higher, and the last candles show weak buying activity. It's also clear that the upward movement is taking place inside the Bollinger Bands and is already approaching the middle line from which the price often bounces down in a downtrend. The fourth sign is that you go to the website and they immediately write to you. Earn $1,000 in an evening without knowing anything about the markets. This is the first sign that a beautiful funnel awaits you. And the drain. Trading is not about quick and easy, it's about systematic and stable. Those who promise mountains of gold without effort usually earn not with you, but from you. Great entrance. The deal closed with a profit of $1,768. Impressive. The last sign is that there are no reviews and supports. Check Telegram, social networks and review sites. If there is nothing, it's strange. If it's just good reviews, it's even stranger. And if you write to support and they don't answer you for a day, run. A platform that does not communicate with users is not a platform, but a lure. I have personally tested more than 15 platforms. On one of them, I had to wait more than 30 days to withdraw the balance. On the other, the chart differed by 7 points from the stock charts. And on the third, after depositing $100, my account was blocked for verification. And they have not blocked it yet. I won't name them, but you can easily recognize them by just the 3 or 4 signs that I listed. You can trade using the system, but if the broker twists the candles, you will lose. And vice versa. If the platform is honest, but you don't have a system, you just merge in chaos. You've always got a chance. Trade on a pretty platform that smiles while draining your balance, or choose a platform with a name, real transparency, and a strategy you actually understand. If you're about that second path, the smarter one, my Telegram is in the description. You'll get signals, daily setups, step-by-step education, real feedback, and support. The blind path is the fastest way to blow your account. The conscious path, that's the most reliable way to grow. Choose wisely.